Hey buddy, today in this video we'll be making air fryer chili cheese dogs. Let's begin. We have here some Hormel chili with beans and we're going to take it out. There we go. We're going to take the chili and put it in the microwave and warm it up. We have here some Johnsonville hot dogs, some classic regular hot dog buns, and also some shredded mild cheddar cheese. Let's open it up. There we go. We're going to put all 6, but for this video we're only making the first batch. There we go. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 390 degrees for a total time of 8 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 4 minutes so far. Let's flip them around. There. We rolled them around a little bit. Make sure they're nicely spread out. And now let's put it back in for the last 4 minutes. Okay, it's been a total time of 8 minutes at 390 degrees. Okay, let's take them out. For this video, we're only making the first batch of 3 chili cheese dogs. Next, we're going to put it in the air fryer. There we go. We're going to take some warmed up chili and add it on top. There you go. We have here some chopped up white onions and we're going to add it on top. And lastly, we're going to sprinkle some mild cheddar cheese on top. There we go. And now let's put it in. We're going to turn it to 380 degrees for a total time of 3 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 3 minutes at 380 degrees. Let's take it out. Looking wonderful. Okay, this is what we have today, air fryer chili cheese dogs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.